Hello everyone, my name is Nathan. I am pursuing my BTech in Tirumala Engineering College, Hyderabad. For the next few minutes, I am going to talk about the Microsoft's recent advancements, which is ASP.NET. ASP.NET is a web application framework developed by Microsoft that allows the programmers to build dynamic websites, web applications, web services, and many more. This ASP.NET is a successor to the Microsoft's ASP technology, which is Active Server Page. Now, let us see what is .NET Framework. .NET Framework is a software framework that primarily runs on the Microsoft's network. This .NET Framework consists of class libraries and it supports many programming languages such as Visual C Sharp, Visual Basic, Java, Ajax, etc. Now, whenever the code is written in the .NET Framework, it executes in an environment called Common Language Runtime, which is abbreviated for CLR. This CLR provides the programmers a flexibility to write the code in any of the .NET supported programming languages. Apart from this, the CLR also provides many features such as memory management, exception handling, and security features. Now, the combination of this CLR and the class libraries give rise to the .NET framework. Now, let us see how ASP.NET works. Whenever the browser requests for an ASP.NET file from the IIS, which is Internet Information Services, which is Microsoft's internal service, retrieves the ASP.NET file and sends it to the ASP.NET script engine. This script engine reads and executes the script line by line and it generates an HTML file of that ASP.NET file and it sends it to the web server, and from the web server it is sent to the client in the form of a plain HTML file. This is how the ASP.NET works. For creating the web pages, we use Microsoft's Matrix tool, and for creating the web forms, we use Visual Studio.NET. In Visual Studio.NET, we generally have two views. One, which is used for the user interface components, and the two, which is for the coding part or the implementation part. One of the most important feature of the ASP.NET is a code behind the file feature, which divides our file into two files. First one shows the presentation part of the web form, that is how the web form is going to look, and the extension of this file is going to be .aspx. The second file is going to be the implementation part, which is the coding, the logic, or how the web form is going to work. This code is written in this file. The extension of this file is going to vary from programming language to programming language. Suppose, for example, if you take C Sharp as your programming language to develop the web application, then the extension of this file is going to be .cs file. Now, let us discuss some of the most important advantages of the ASP.NET. The first and the foremost important advantage of the ASP.NET is that it is very simple to use. The second advantage is that it separates the software engineer from the graphical designer. That is, it allows the designer to design the view part and the programmer or the software engineer to write the coding part. The third important advantage is that even after the deployment, you can update the website dynamically without restarting your server, which is the most important advantage of the ASP.NET. This next advantage is that you can use scripting languages such as XML, CSS file in the ASP.NET. The next advantage is that you can also use another framework, that is Microsoft's ADO.NET, to access the databases. This is all about the latest ASP.NET framework developed by the Microsoft. Thank you for watching the video.